What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, we're back for, I believe, installment number 6 in how to make money on the internet with your own email marketing systems and automated sales systems and sales funnels, actually using email marketing, guys, okay? Now, guys, I'm steadily working my way to what I call the 7-hour work week, right? And when this is all said and done, this series, guys, and everything I do forward, is going to be built around working a 7-hour work week. Why? Because I don't want to be on the internet all day, guys, okay? And you guys probably don't want to be on the internet all day either. So I can tell you right now, guys, as we move on through the series, when it's all said and done, you're going to be able to have instant access to the automated marketing systems and sales funnels. For you guys who are a little more hands-on and want to be able to put this thing all together for yourself, guys, that's why I'm doing the series. We talked in previous videos about the 3 components of automated marketing systems and sales funnels. We talked about email marketing in general and the 3 components, of it and how it works. I'm going to show you guys a real quick illustration again, just to get you guys up to speed if you find me for the very first time. I've also created a playlist. Hold on. I also created a playlist, guys, that you're going to be able to use if you're finding me for the first time and you want to learn the basic fundamentals of email marketing, guys, and how you can start using automated marketing systems and sales funnels and tie them into your autoresponder with your email marketing and how you guys can make money from home. Like I said, when it's all said and done, I'm going to be doing case studies. I want to show you guys, which is why I'm keeping these videos down for 15 minutes. I don't have to do the videos, guys. And one of the good things about this series, and that you're going to find out if you remain and stay with me through the series and you actually visit the links that I leave for you in the description area of the YouTube videos, you're going to find out that these automated marketing systems and sales funnels are 95% done for you, okay? I talk about email marketing and the basic fundamentals because when you got the basic fundamentals down, you can go up and set up as many email campaigns as you desire, you know what I mean? And if you go through these videos, I'm showing you guys how to do it, and you can set them up in record-breaking time. I had said this video was going to be building our first list inside of Get Response, guys, but I'm a little behind because I'm doing a lot of stuff. So instead of showing you how to create your first list inside Get Response today, guys, I'm going to deviate just a little bit because I'm doing some other things, and I want to make sure that when I do that I've cleared, I've explained some other things to you guys, okay? So let's real quick, if I can get down here on the page, guys, let's revisit the automated marketing system and sales funnel. Actually, let's just talk about the actual anatomy of it, okay? Because at the beginning of the video, or somewhere near the very beginning of this video series, what I talked about was automated marketing systems and sales funnels, right? And I talked about the 3 components: having a capture page, a high converting offer, a marketing system, a sales funnel slash, and then I talked about traffic, which is what makes it work. Now, I also talked to you guys about when you understand the anatomy of different marketing business models, you can have upsells, downsells, all types of residual income built within your automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And that's why you want to have marketing systems and sales funnels working for you, because you're working smart and you're not working so hard. I talked about the fact that once you have them set up, they're set up. So you're getting a glimpse again at just a simple diagram that sort of explains the anatomy of marketing systems and sales funnels as it really relates to email marketing, right? You can plug different automated marketing and sales systems into your autoresponder campaign, guys, and they can go out and work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Like I said, now everybody's doing this, right? And this is what I found out, guys, and this is what I learned, and this is what's got me really excited, and this is why you should be really excited too. Special note, guys, if you've been paying a whole bunch of money for a lot of different courses and doing this and doing that, and you're not getting the results that you want, don't spend any more money on anything, guys. Follow me through this series, okay? Or unless you working with somebody who's talking to you about doing these things, guys, about building a list. Again, I'm talking about email marketing here, okay? Stop throwing money away learn the fundamentals, tap into marketing systems and sales funnels, guys. Work smart and set something in place that can work for you guys even while you're sleeping, okay? So looking at the diagram again, you can kind of see, yeah, it begins with traffic. And right now, guys, the traffic source that I'm going to be exposing or giving you guys instant access to is like none other that I've ever seen. I said in the beginning of this series, this particular traffic costs a little bit more. It's a lot more targeted. I've been doing my research, guys. There are very few people who can provide the kind of traffic that you guys are going to be able to be exposed to. Okay, hands down. Believe me, okay? And so one of the reasons I'm doing this series is because what I realize, guys, is if you can tap into a reliable, fresh traffic source where you have people coming onto your list, right? You're building your list with fresh new opportunity seekers who haven't been inundated with all kinds of, traffic, right? I'm finding this out. You may be thinking you're doing something wrong or you've been doing something wrong. And I was talking earlier in the series about, hey, it might not be your fault. It might just be the traffic source. So the traffic source that you guys are going to have access to throughout, well, near the end of this series, and then with everything I do going forward after that, you're going to love this traffic. Just trust me, you're going to love it. I've just been sitting back, watching it, listening to testimonials, corresponding with the actual vendor that I'm going to give you guys access to. And it just is going to just make a world of difference, okay? Remember when we talked about the game changer? Well, that's what's going to be happening, guys, okay? So anyway, guys, let's pop over here to the actual playlist that I actually put together just a few seconds ago, guys. Right down here, and I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube video description area for you guys who are finding me for the very first time. Let me see, can I get this enlarged just a little bit? Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I'm trying to enlarge my screen, and for some reason, guys, it is not working. I can tell you guys, if something can go wrong sometimes, it's like everything goes wrong, right? So I can't. Okay, wait a minute. I think I got something there, guys. Hold on. Let's scroll up just a little, and not to mention the fact that my computers just want to act. It just really wants to act up when it wants to act up, right? It's almost like my cats, right? I got a female cat, and trust me. Anyway, so look, guys, the playlist is going to be right in the description there. Here it is right here. I was able to enlarge it. So what I've done is I've taken all the videos that I've done so far and I put them in a playlist. I want to leave the link for people who find me for the very first time. You can start from the very beginning in this series and learn those basic fundamentals of email marketing. Because as we move forward, and anytime during the actual YouTube video presentation, actually, you guys can tap into an automated marketing system and sales funnel at any time. And you can do it with confidence, understanding the fact that you understand the anatomy of email marketing, automated marketing systems, and sales funnels, okay? And hopefully your mind is starting to percolate. You're starting to realize that you don't have to spend tons and tons and tons of money. You don't have to be online for years like I was, stumbling all over the place before I actually understood the actual process and how powerful email marketing is, okay? I'm telling you, do it. Drown out the noise, right? Get in this place where you're able to focus for a little while, and I'm telling you guys, don't do what I did, okay? I was all over the place, and sometimes if I'm not careful, I still am, right? I'm bouncing all over the place because I see something, and I'm like, no, we're not doing that anymore, guys. I'm not doing that. And so this is where we are. So you're going to have the link to the playlist, which is going to actually cover all the videos that I've done up until now, right? They're all part of the playlist. So I'm going to have a link for that, right? Now, guys, let's move on to something even more exciting or equally exciting, right? Now, I told you guys at any given time, right, during the course of this YouTube video series, that you guys would be able to pop in here, get links to really explosive information, right? When we talk about affordable, right, it's an understatement. There's a funnel. It's actually a two-page system, right, that shows you guys everything that I'm talking about in my videos. Again, you could get in here and start using these systems even as I'm going through the actual how to make money on the internet with email marketing using automated marketing systems and sales funnel video series at any given time. Some people, they pick things up a little sooner or quicker than others. I'm just going to simply leave the link to this particular page in the YouTube video description along with the playlist link, guys, and you guys can pop over here and you can check this out. This is an incredible tool, guys. It just I'm gonna say it just launched over the last couple of days. I don't care if it just launched today, guys. I've been through it. I understand the awesome power of it, right? I actually purchased it for $9. You guys can purchase it for $9 too. I'm having problems getting into my members area, which is why I'm on the actual page itself. But in the next couple of days, I'm going to be going inside the members area, showing you guys who are not convinced that you can actually use this system to get up and running right now. To make money online, particularly if you have another business opportunity, because this caters to that, guys. Okay, some of the tools that I use, guys, they have recurring payments tied into them, like the Power Lead system. I talked about Get Response for $15 a month for 1,000 subscribers. Well, here, same principles, guys, same fundamentals, right? But now we're talking about one-time payments and being able to set up and start building your list, right? And having from your own capture page all the way down to your list. Now, here's a cool thing. For anybody who joins me, who actually purchases this, right? This is the auto profits system, right? That's what we call it. I'm gonna throw a real cool bonus in for you. And what I mean by that is I'm gonna give you guys about 30 emails that I got from a traffic expert, right? And these are allegedly some of his best generating emails, and I'm gonna throw that in for you as a free gift. You're gonna love these emails, guys. I'm loading them into my autoresponder even as we speak. Now, you guys join, make sure you email me, right, at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com. Let me know, guys, okay, and I will give you that. But by all means, guys, before we move on, check this page out. I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube video description area. If you have an existing business already, guys, and you want to plug into a two-page system that's going to show you how to ramp it up, and I'm going to be doing case studies, so don't worry, then by all means, guys, get this. I can tell you the prices, because it's a launch, the price is going up. Probably is, I think, saying 24 hours there. So right now it's $9. I imagine it's going to go up to maybe about 37 over the course of the next week. I'm not sure. But I'm telling you guys, if you're interested in doing this kind of thing, go on. Of course, there's my wife calling, guys. Go on and check that link out as well, okay? Remember, guys, when you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, you can get what it is you want in life, guys, and you can do it using email marketing and automated marketing systems and sales funnels. With that being said, guys, I'm timing out. I'll be back in another video, and we'll go on to the next video where we'll talk about building or creating your very first list inside of the Get Response autoresponder, okay? Thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very much. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you guys on the next video.